Okay, so we're moving on to 2021 paper 2, question 1. In a particular population, 15% of the people are left-footed. A soccer team of 11 players, including one goalkeeper, is picked at random from the population. Find the probability there is exactly one left-footed player on the team. Give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So 15%, we can write as 0.15 as a decimal. So let's see. So we only want, so yeah, I suppose straight away, let's write down not left-footed, 0.85. So again, this is a Bernoulli trial. It's a success failure. I know that sounds like a strange way to say it, but you're basically saying that you get someone who's left-footed or you get someone that isn't. So success really in this case is finding someone that is left-footed. So we want to see exactly one person. So it would be 11, choose one. Success would be getting a left-footed person and failure would be getting someone that isn't. And then following that formula for our binomial. So that one again is on page 33. So for our Bernoulli trial, we're using the technique of the binomial distribution. And again, that formula is there if you're not sure. So you put the bottom number there and then you do 11, take 1 is 10. So let's work this out. So 11 choose 1 is 11. Anything to the power of 1, of course, is itself. And then we have 0.85 to the power of 10. So that's working out to be 0.19687, etc. So multiplying the 3 of them together, I'm getting an answer of 0.32484, etc. Now 3 decimal places, 0.325. Okay, part B, find the probability that less than 3 players on the team are left-footed. Okay, now if it's less than 3, it can be the probability of no one is left-footed. It can be the probability of 1 person is left-footed, the probability that 2 people are left-footed, but we can't do 3 because it says less than 3. So we already know the answer here because we've just worked that out in part 1 or in part A. So I'm going to write that one in. So how do we do nobody? Well, what we're saying really is that it's 11 people choose nobody. The success, again, is choosing a left-footed person. Failure is choosing someone that's not left-footed. So that becomes 0, that becomes 11. 2 people will be 11 choose 2. Success, again, is left-footed. Failure is not getting a left-footed person. That's 2, and then therefore that's 9, because it's 2 from 11 is 9. Now, remember, each of these is or, so there are different scenarios. You might have no one, or 1 person, or 2 people. So remember, your answers were eventually going to plus our answers together. Okay, so 11 choose 0. That is 11 choose 0. Let's see now, sorry. Okay, so 11 choose 0 is 1, isn't it? Yes, 1. Then we're anything to the power of 0 is 1. So that's all 1. So we just have to do the 0.85 to the power of 11. So that's coming out to be 0.167343, etc. Just leaving in a few decimal places. The other one, we've done that one already. And then the last one, 11 choose 2. And then we have to do 0.5 squared. And 0.85 to the power of 9. Okay, so that's coming out to be 0.286629. And now we add them up. So 286629 plus the 0.325 plus 0.1674343. So that comes out to be 0.7789. Now this time it's 2 decimal places, so 0.78. And that's the first 2 done.